You don't know. Bad man.
Get bang bang, you. Tidy on the sing so. Let them know.
It's Die Heartbeat.
Guys, in today's video I just want to play with some little makeup, some eyeshadow that I got during this sales from Sephora. These one and this purple, then these as well, you guys can see them. So I just want to play with all of these ones, you see. So I don't even know the makeup look I'm going for right now, but I just feel like playing with them. So I'll be using this. It's a night cream anyway, but I use it, as you guys can see, it's almost gone. I apply it on my face as a base when I'm doing my makeup. This Galinic, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, it's a French product. So I'll just apply that on my face. It's like gel. It has this soft, it's very soft, has this soft, tender, and it smooths your skin. Yeah, you can use it all over your face. So it lasts 24 hours. So I like applying this on my face before applying my makeup. So we're going to start with the brows. So I'm just going to be fast with that. First I'm going to brush them. I'm using this brow pencil from Primark. This is 3-in-1 in brown. So just brush my brows. Yeah, like so. Then I'll fill in my brows. So I'm going to use my brush. So we're starting with the eyes. I'll just pack this on my eye lid. For my base not to crease, I'm going to set it with a powder. something like that. So I'm going to do a form of a cut crease. Take a flat brush and I'm using this. With the other side of the brush. And I'm going to use this blue and I need to smoke it with this brush. I just hope you guys like this video and you will be able to create this look as well. It's very easy. You don't need to have exactly product that I have. If you have any of the colors, you can create it. So that is it. I hope you like it and thank you for joining me. Thank you for always hanging out with me. If it is your first time here, you are welcome. Thank you for tuning in, and please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video from me. To my old timers, thanks for always being there. So I will see you guys in my next one, and till then, you that is watching me, you are blessed.
Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah.